In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme and tap on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Now you can manage keyboarders by operating this switcher and then hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go back to the same settings and this time select this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage keyboarders and choose apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!